Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Terra Luna 2.0. So a lot of you guys have been talking about Luna and how the, Terra Classic, I guess, had that, huge dump and a rug pull type situation down over 100%. Now we have the release of Terra Luna 2.0, how it's been performing the past few days. We saw a pump, obviously then we saw a dump, and we continue to see up and down type patterns. What is going to happen? And, could this coin potentially be trading at $50 plus in the future? Well, currently Terra is trading at around $10.17, which is up about 74% here. As you guys can take a look at the, 24-hour lows and the highs. We went to lows of $5.66 and then highs of about $11.97. So if we actually take a look down here, you guys can see the market cap. You guys can see everything here, volume and different things like that. Max supply, obviously. So let's take a quick look at the chart. So here in the past one day, like we said, this coin was trading down here at the beginning here of the day. So let's just say about here, this was May 30th at around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. This was trading at around $5.80. We continue to push on higher here, trade sideways, support level, broke through, hit highs of $6.81, broke back down, both the support level here around $6.50 or so, and then we continue to push on higher and higher throughout the beginning of Sunday here, all the way to highs of over $9 at one point, broke down to $8, and continued to make a little support level here around this $9 range, and then boom, it took off all the way to highs of about $12 here at one point, almost highs of $12, and then we saw a little bit of a sell-off here going into the night, back to the $9 range, and building off of that support level again, or around that range again at $9. So it's been stable here at $9, and now we're seeing a little bit of a takeoff again past that $10 range, and especially as we have a lot of news that we're going to be talking about in this video, actually, about Binance and how Binance could possibly be another reason for this one to continue to push on higher here in the next few days. So if we actually take a look here at the 7-day chart, we'll actually see what happened. So when the coin first came out, obviously, directly it went up. It went up a lot. Then we saw a sell-off. Everybody just started to panic. Sold off, went down here to about $4 here on the 28th of May. Went under $4 actually at one point. Came back up, traded here around this $4, $5 range. Continued to push on higher. And it had kind of like a stable support here for about a day or two at around this $5 range and just traded sideways until Sunday, obviously. And then Monday as well, continued to push on higher and higher here. Going into Tuesday, we see it now trading at around that $10 range. So it is pushing higher because there is some news coming out, but also the crypto market has been pushing higher and higher here in the past 24 hours or so, which is also pushing this one higher as well. So we see that Luna is also pushing as the market is pushing as well. As we can see right now, we're trading at $10.17 as it continues to go. Now, let's take a quick look and actually just take a recap to see what happened to Terra Classic, obviously. This one is going up and down, but it is definitely, down. If we actually take a look here in the 1 month chart, I mean, remember, we were trading at $86, and then we just saw the sell-off here at the beginning of May from, May 6th. Just boom, we went down lower and lower and lower. In a matter of a week, we were worth nothing. It was worth literally fractions of a penny, and everybody lost everything they were getting into. So that's what happened with the Classic. But the big news, guys, what is the big news? So Binance will list Terra 2.0 Luna in the innovation zone. So if we actually take a look here, Luna 2.0 jumps about 75% in 24 hours ahead of the Binance listing. So that is the big news, guys. Binance is going to be listing Luna 2.0 on their exchange, and that is huge news, obviously. Whenever a coin gets listed on a new exchange, that definitely makes these coins pump higher and higher. So Binance plans to list Luna 2.0 as soon as the airdrop of tokens is distributed to users on May 31st, and the price of Luna is running up ahead of the event. So obviously, we have a few hours before this event. I will be uploading this video about 3 hours before the event happens, or before this happens. It's going to be happening on May 31st at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. I believe it is 2 a.m. Eastern Time that it's going to be happening. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. So obviously here, after a rocky start, the new Luna token is up over 40% on May 30th. It hit $30 before crashing to a low of $3.50 on its first day of trading. And now the token is making another run ahead of its Binance listing on May 31st. So like we said, this coin pumped very hard at the beginning when it first came out. So obviously it is against the company's policy for Binance to release information on listings ahead of the schedule. However, given the sensitive and timely nature of the launch of Luna 2.0, it has distributed a timeline detailing exchanges exactly when it will go live. So the token will coin live with Luna BUSD and Luna USDT trading pairs at, like we said, 2022 May 31st, 6 UTC, which is around 2 a.m. So the announcement was made on May 28th, but it seems excitement is really going for it right now as the coin continues to push on higher here at over $10 per coin going into Monday night. So a lot of people are always talking about buy the rumor, sell the news type situation. So they're saying, well, you might want to get in before the launch, and then once it happens, you might want to sell off and take your profits, because that's what a lot of people say. So people want to get in and out and not want to get caught bag holding. We've seen this happen in the stock market, obviously, many times with the biopharmaceutical companies, where we have a sell the news type situation where something gets approved, but the coin or the stock goes down because everybody already made it go up on the run up, and then we have a sell off. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how Luna is going to perform here going into, obviously, Tuesday and the rest of the week. Will it continue to push on higher, or will we be seeing a sell-off? I personally think that a lot of people might be getting in, on Binance, because not everybody has all the different exchanges that you need to have in order to trade these coins, and that's a opportunity for people to get in more. So I think this is going to create a lot more supply-demand type situation, and people who weren't able to get in on the coin are now going to be able to get in because they have Binance and not some of these other crypto apps. Because I personally don't use 20 different apps, because a lot of these coins are not able to be traded on every exchange. You have to have a certain exchange, whether it's eToro, whether it's Binance, Coin Market, different ones like that, everything, and crypto.com, different things like that. You have to have certain ones, and that's the thing that you have to look out for here in crypto. It's not as easy as just trading a stock and going on Robinhood and being like, oh yeah, I want to buy some Facebook. Yeah, you can just get on Robinhood, buy some Facebook, swipe up, boom, you got it. So it's a little bit of a different ball game here, but what is my personal opinion? Well, I think that this coin could continue to go higher, and we might be seeing, the $20 range coming very, very quickly once again, but it's going to be very, very dangerous because so many people have been disappointed, obviously, with the original Luna coin, and after what happened, I don't think that people trust it as much, and I would not be surprised to see, Terra Luna, the new 2.0 coin, fluctuate and have a lot of volatility. So I believe that this coin is going to be, going up and down very quickly and very often. And it's going to be one of those very volatile coins that just continues to push on higher and lower, which is a good opportunity for day traders or people who are just, getting in and out very quickly out of these coins and trying to scalp up some profits. Obviously, if you were doing that today, and you bought at, let's just say, at $5.80, you could have sold here at $6. When it fell down to $5.80 again, you maybe, bought some more. And then here, when we saw it go all the way to $9, you sold off, bought back in at $8, and continued to take these patterns, maybe even sold off here at $12 and bought again at $9. So once again, for these day traders who are buying in and out very quickly, not holding for very long, this could be an opportunity, obviously. As we all obviously see, volume also is picking up here into the night. As the coin goes higher and higher, the volume is picking up higher and higher as well. In the past 24 hours here, as you can see, the volume continues to increase, close to 500 million here, which is insane. So volume is picking up, and people are, very excited to see what's going to happen. So let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think is going to happen here with Terra Luna overnight and then in the next week or so? Is this coin going to continue to push on higher? Could we see $20 or so in the next few days? Could it potentially even reach $50 as some people are predicting in the future? Let me know in the comments below. As always, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.